All right, welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out the 1More Colorbuds 2. So these are an updated version of the original Colorbuds. So we're getting some updated specs, which most importantly include ANC as well as transparency mode. So as far as colors, we have three different options. We have black, white, as well as gold. Now the price tag on these is coming in at 80 bucks, which is pretty impressive since the original Colorbuds had an initial price tag of 100 bucks, and right now 1More is offering a $10 off launch discount, which takes these all the way down to only 70 bucks, which is a really good price. So be sure to check the description of the video for the details on that. Now let's go ahead and check out the Colorbuds 2, starting off with the charging case. So the charging case is nice and compact. As you can see, it has a round shape. You've got some branding on the lid. It's got a matte finish with a single LED indicator on the front of the case to help you gauge your battery life. On the back of the case is where you have your USB Type-C charging port, and a really small detail that I really like about the case is the rubber coating on the bottom. So this way, once you set it down on a desk or a nightstand or whatever it is, the case is going to stay put. It's not going to slide around. And also the case does support wireless charging, which is something that the original Colorbuds were missing. Taking a look at the earbuds themselves, they have pretty much the same design and build as the original. You can see they have some branding featured on the side, and these don't offer any ear fins or ear wings. So you really got to make sure that you try out the different size ear tips to get the most secure fit. These do feature proximity sensors, which means anytime you remove one of the earbuds from your ear, your music will automatically pause, and then once you place it back into your ear, it'll automatically resume. If you don't like that feature, you can disable it within the 1More Music app. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.2, and in terms of audio codecs, they support aptX as well as aptX Adaptive, SBC, and AAC. They also support independent use, which means you can use either the left or the right earbud while the other remains inside of the charging case. Now in terms of battery life, with ANC turned off, you're looking at roughly 8 hours on a single charge, with a total of 24 hours including the charging case. With ANC turned on, that drops down to around 6 hours on a single charge and about 18 hours total including the case. These feature an IPX5 rating, which makes them water resistant, but not 100% waterproof. So you're safe to wear them to the gym if you happen to sweat, or if you get caught in the rain outdoors. They're going to hold up just fine, but just make sure you don't completely submerge them in water. Now let's go ahead and talk about the fit. So even though these don't fit all the way in my ears, the ergonomic shape along with the right size ear tips is going to go a long way. So even if you have smaller ears like myself, you can still get a really secure fit. For me, light to medium workouts are no problem. More intense workouts, I do find myself having to reposition them occasionally. Now, if you have medium to larger size ears, I don't think you'll have that issue. So overall, the fit on these is very solid. As far as the touch controls, you have three different functions. So you have a touch and hold function, which controls the ANC and the ambient mode. And then you have a double tap and a triple tap, which are customizable within the 1More app. So between your play and pause, your track controls, your volume controls, as well as your voice assistant, you have to decide which are most important to you and assign them to the double tap and triple tap function. Now let's go ahead and dive into the sound quality. So these are using 7mm dynamic drivers, and what these really have going for them is the SoundID feature, which basically takes you through a hearing test of sorts, and then it designs a custom EQ profile just for you. Straight out of the box, the earbuds sound pretty treble focused, so you're getting plenty of detail and clarity, but the bass was a little bit more subdued than what I personally prefer. But once I completed the steps for the SoundID and went through the different sound tests, I was able to get a much more dynamic sound. The bass was a lot punchier and the sound had more of that V shape, which is what I prefer. Now, even after going through the SoundID, these still aren't the bassiest earbuds in case that's what you're looking for. These are giving you more of an accurate, controlled, detailed type of sound. So if that's what you enjoy, you're really going to like the sound on these. Moving on to the active noise cancellation, these are definitely up there with some of the best within this price range. I would say they're able to block out about 70% of your surrounding noises, so not exactly up there with your Bose or Sony level ANC, but again, for the price, it's pretty effective. With the transparency mode, these do a great job of giving you a very natural sound with little to no white noise or any of that overly digital type of sound. I do think the transparency mode could be a little bit stronger, but even so, it does a great job of bringing in your surroundings so that you can hear what's going on around you. When it comes to phone calls, these are using dual microphones on each earbud with noise canceling technology. So let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the 1More Colorbuds 2. So this should give you guys a pretty good idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these for phone calls. I think it sounds good. My voice sounds very clear, but you guys can do me a favor and let me know how they sound down in the comment section below. So overall, these are a very solid option under the $100 price point. You're getting app support, customizable sound, and respectable ANC. So that's going to be it for this video. If you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the links down in the description for the most up-to-date price. Also, if this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. Aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.